2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, MP3 player, child safety locks, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.